I've been coming to Barry's office since 2006, and Barry's helped me tremendously. The biggest impact he's had on me is with my seasonal allergies. When I first moved to Tennessee in 2005 in the winter, in December, and when the springtime came around, I was tremendously bothered by the allergies. And somebody told me about Barry Sunshine, and I was basically forced to limit my time inside and only spend a very limited amount of time outside because of all the sneezing and blowing nose and runny eyes that everybody gets during allergy season. So somebody told me about Barry. I came to Barry the first time, and he does what I would call hocus pocus. He presses a few points, does this, that, does that, and he said, "Okay, you're all fixed." So I said, "Okay, what do I have to take?" He goes, "Nothing, you're all set." I said, "Okay." Didn't believe it, but sure enough, I went home, and that night I started to feel better. The next day I felt better, and the day after that a little better, and probably about after a week, no more treatments even, Barry was able to take care of my seasonal allergy affliction.
I had horrible allergies all of my life. I've been to every allergist out there. I've had the back scratch test. I've had everything injected under my skin. I've had sinus surgery where they microwaved out something and opened up my drainage, and taken every allergy pill you can imagine, and nothing really helped. And I came to see Dr. Sunshine, and within about 3 visits I have not had an allergy problem since then. It's amazing. I can't tell you how it works, but it's great, and I have no allergy problem, and I recommend him to all of my clients that I see.
Back in the early 2000s, I had severe sinus problems. Went to various high-profile allergists, spent a lot of money, spent a lot of time on medication that caused other problems that caused me to get on other medication. In 2003, I went to Knoxville and had same-day sinus surgery, and they accidentally poked a hole in my brain and did not take me back for over 7 days. And once they did take me back, I obtained meningitis and almost died. After that surgery, still no relief. Spent thousands of dollars in treatments and so on and so forth. And then I heard of Dr. Barry Sunshine, and I was a little skeptical at first, but I made an appointment, came in and saw Dr. Sunshine, and my left nostril had been stopped up for probably 10 years. That's why I had been all over the place trying to get it corrected. And had the surgery, but probably within 20 minutes, for the first time in years, he popped that sinus back in place, and I could breathe through my left nostril. And from that point forward, we drilled down on different allergies, different things that were affecting my sinuses. It turned out I was allergic to my own sinuses, and through treatments through him, we hammered that down, and my allergies virtually went away. I could breathe again. Migraines went away. I got off all the drugs and all the pills, and everything has been very, very satisfying since then.
I brought my son, who's 3 years old, to Dr. Sunshine back this spring for breaking out in the whole body rashes. We had gone to pediatricians. They wanted him allergy tested and didn't want to put him through that. Excuse me. We brought him to Dr. Sunshine and brought in some samples of different grasses and stuff around our farm, and we did find out that buttercup and privet hedge were his 2 main causes for breaking out. Dr. Sunshine treated him twice. We haven't had any more rashes, any kind of allergy flare-ups.
I'm so excited I don't have to use this. Dr. Sunshine took care of me after I was allergic to fluoride.
He's absolutely right. I can tell you that we had major issues with asthma, and you know what? I have to tell you, he used to use this nebulizer every night. But he had to. If he didn't do it, he couldn't sleep. He would cough all night long. Treated Chandler. We went home. He went to bed and did not cough at all night long. I'm telling you, I could not believe it. If anybody would have told me, I would have said they're crazy. I was a skeptic, but you know what? I saw that with my own eyes, and now I'm a believer.
And a year and a half ago, I was having problems breathing. Went to 2 pulmonologists, 1 biopsy, 3 CAT scans, and about a dozen x-rays. They diagnosed it as aspergillosis. I came here about 6 months ago, and the doctor had put me on some supplements, and I am pain-free. I can breathe, I can do yard work, I can have business conversations, and there is absolutely no coughing.
I want to share some information about what Dr. Sunshine's done for me. Whenever I was 11 years old, I was diagnosed with fresh fruit and vegetable allergies, and then I was anaphylactic to strawberries. In January of this year, I was having very bad pains in my stomach, and I decided to go a year later to a GI doctor, and they diagnosed me with wheat and soy, corn, peanut, and tomato. And then they also said I was lactose intolerant and I couldn't eat as many sugars as I would normally be able to. And then I decided to come to Dr. Sunshine, and now I can eat strawberries like it's nothing. I can eat pretty much whatever I want to. And he's also cured me for poison ivy, which is great because now I can just run around in the woods.
For years I had both a severe poison ivy allergy and a latex allergy. Anytime I was around, touched or around any kind of latex product, especially gloves, like I would get rashes all over that would last for a long time, and there was really nothing that I could, nothing that fixed it. And poison ivy was horrible. Anytime I played outside as a kid, I would get it. And at one point I got it so bad that it was covered over half my face, and my eyes swollen shut, and I had to get shots and this and that, and it still took a long time to heal. And the worst it got was a couple summers ago, and I just got fed up. I had it for almost 3 months, and nothing worked, no prescriptions or shots or pills or anything, and so I had happened to have an appointment with Dr. Sunshine and just brought up the both allergies actually, and he said he could fix it like that, and he did. And it's been well over a year, and I haven't had a single problem with either since. Been around latex many times, and I'm always around poison ivy. We have quite a bit of property, and our dogs are always running through it, and we're always in it, and I haven't had a single rash or anything since, so it's been wonderful.